Hey. What is poppin'? What was I doing? Spotify. That's right. Duh. That it's pre-stream visual? No, I did not make it myself. Hey Wyatt, what's going on? No, not my email. Why are there compilation errors? Yeah, no, this is a preset. So let's see, we got the intro. It's a outrun template I found. It's pretty cool. I like it. And I think the chat is supposed to go in the box below me, but I haven't set that up yet. Okay. Oh yeah? Wait, does he actually have one? He's on my host list, actually. Okay, so let's see where we're at. I decided the so I got like a sort of system working for the inventory system that was the third-party one that I had. I think there's enough differences in how I would like it to be done that it warrants using its own. So with that being said, I think, gosh, I think I'm actually gonna just make my own. All right, I already decided I'm gonna make my own. Hey, returning player, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the stream. All right, let's see here. So I think that should resolve that issue. Yes, it does. I still don't know how to properly use DLLs to like optimize your code or whatever, but whatever. Okay, let's see what we got here. So I've got inventory system. Open this up. I was working on item container. Lots of waiting. Oh, here we go. So let me move this over here. And so basically what I'm doing is I fiddled around enough with the Deviant Games system that I'm pretty familiar with like what's needed to actually make like an extensible inventory system. So I'm just gonna make it myself, a lot more bare bones without any of the other like RPG elements that I don't need. But I'm gonna use the Deviant ones as a baseline. So let me see here. I was gonna make a public. What was it? Okay. So I have all my easing functions here, and I want to specify which one I can use. The only issue is that these are functions, not classes, or enums either. So I think I might actually yeah, I can extend that right now. Okay, so I can do a public enum type. So this is an easing functions.type, and I can just list them all out here. So we got linear, cubic in, cubic out. I think cubic in out is the next one. Yeah, so then it's quadratic, quartic, quintic. Sine, exponential, circle, elastic. And then back, bounce. Huh. Okay, so back and bounce. I think that's it. Oh god, that's a lot of types. So the issue with them being methods instead of classes, there's no issue with it inherently. In fact, it's better this way. I just need a way to be able to reference what type of easing function I want. And I can't do that without like reflection, unless I have like an enumeration here. And now I need to do the fun part of doing the ins. Yeah, okay. The ins, the outs, and then the in-outs. I hope the naming convention is consistent, otherwise this is gonna be super annoying. That is true, but it's not guaranteed they're all going to have ins and outs, like, for instance, linear. But, I mean, that's the only case right there. I think I'll just do it this way. Now it should stop complaining. Wait. Wait. I stupid? I just messed this up. No, no. All right, hold on. Let me separate this. I should have done that before I did all of that. Yeah, I messed up a couple of them back there. That's fine. So in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. I hope this is the one. So now I can do public, static, float, evaluate. Oh god, this is gonna be tedious. Call it the function. Yeah. Switch on function. No, not funked. Although those are fun. Here we go. Oh god. This is gonna be fun. Oh no, not linear. Cubic. In value. Oh my god, is it gonna recommend me the correct one each time? Nope. Wee, coding is so fun. Almost done. We're almost halfway, anyway. I don't know if there's an automated way of doing this, but I don't think so. Luckily, I only have to do this once, ever. And I can reuse it in other projects, too. Which is the whole point. I'm not sure if you saw this, but I have this this sort of library called Unity Engine.extended, which is something I'm working on. Yeah, that's the only way I would be able to automate it, but I don't know. Reflection just seems so janky, unless you're like, the only instance where I think it's like valid is if you're using it for like editor tools or something, but even then it's kind of weird. It just seems like black magic. It's really cool though. And I wish there was a more, in C#, I wish there was a more formal way of doing it that didn't seem so jank. Or, yeah, once at the start of the game. Value. Quintic. Turn, sign in, value. Oh god, almost done. Well, at least I know if the naming convention, then the naming conventions are consistent, so. Exponential out. What's wrong with, oh, no. Circle. The funny thing is, like, I'm like, I never use like 90% of these easing functions. Like I always use just like pretty much bounce and like quadratic. And then linear is just a lerp at that point. Pull in, out, value. I thought I was almost done. I forgot how many more there are. Almost done. For real this time. Isn't bounce the last one? Yeah, bounce is the last one. Okay. It's weird to me that Unity by default doesn't have a tweening library. It's so weird. It's like one of the most common things you use in game development. Okay. And then defaults. I'm lazy, so instead of giving like this doesn't exist, I'll just I'll just do linear. Okay, we're good to go. All right, excuse me a second. Be right back. All right. Actually, something you could do with reflection that would be reasonable and useful is creating some attributes that generate data structures to store tagged member attributes. So, like, you give it a tag of like easing function, and then it automatically like hooks it into like this like evaluate method or something. Trying to think about how that would work. It's kind of wacky. So what else do I need? I need a tween duration. Just following convention, ignore time scale. Okay, and then I need the Unity events. So on open, on close, hey Colfox, not too late, just started 20 minutes ago, maybe. You missed a lot of tedium. I was setting up a really long switch statement for the past 15 minutes. But we're good now. So let me just... There we go. So item container, set up some events. Let's see, what else is there? Okay, I'm just gonna copy some things over from their system. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need them yet. You know what? No. Nah, I don't want any of those. So let's see. Okay, now we got some more specific things I need, and that's a terrible name for a header, so let me just get rid of that for now. So we got public bool. It's a convention I'm using for bools. Can drag in. Can drag items in. Can drag items out. Do I need anything else? I guess, maybe can use items inside? Or something? Yeah, it is a pretty long switch statement. Alrighty, what else do I need? Do I need anything else for now? What is this? Restrictions. I don't need any of these for right now. All this like fancy schmancy stuff. I just don't need any of that. Okay, so I've got a name, a context, a priority that's just like the sort order. A key code. An easing function, a tween duration, whether or not it ignores timescale. So like if you pause the game, is it affected? On open, on close events. Any other events I would need? I don't think so. So, okay, I don't know if I'm going to need these yet. So I definitely need a public void, open, window, close. So let's see. Gonna continue my convention of IEnumerator. Anytime I set up an IEnumerator, it's the same name as the function with just CR at the end. Ooh, you know what? Oh, maybe I can use the tweening system if I can remember how to use that. Okay. How do I use this? Oh shit, I don't remember how to use this. I think this is it. Okay, so it's gonna be a transform and then a vector 3. Oh god. So it's now we need an expression dot scale. Oh shit. Wait, hold up. How does this work? I completely forget how to use this. So it is a function expression. So for right now, basically what I'm trying to do is, so overall I'm creating, I'm creating an inventory system. So if you'll remember the previous streams, what I was doing was using a third-party one. So I decided there's enough differences that I should just make my own. That's like a lot more lightweight and specialized for my needs. And right now I'm trying to create a tween, which is basically a function that changes a value over time. The only issue is I completely forget how to use it. So let's see if I can remember. And by remember, I mean look it up. Let's see. This is where I got it from. And you know what? Oh, no, there is an actual samples. Let's see. Demos. Tweening. Here we go. How's it used? Okay, I need a this first. Why do I need a this first? I have no idea. Okay. So I believe first I need a transform target. Ah, okay, yeah, I was just missing one. And so transform goes to transform.scale. And then to value, I'm gonna say vector 3.1. Duration would be tween duration and no delay. Okay, so this is explicit, so I don't need to say that. Don't think I need this coroutine anymore. Do I want to do that? Dot. Oh god. Wait, how do I pass in the tween type? Oh, easing. There you go. Okay, so on begin, I will do transform dot scale equals vector 3.0. Can I not do that? Can I do that? What? How do I use this? Oh God. I should just use a coroutine. I don't know why I'm bothering doing this. Let's see. So what, okay, on begin, what is it expecting? Yeah, it's expecting a lambda expression. What? Why was it suggesting that? No, that's not what I want. Wait, what? What did I just do? Please tell me I didn't just do that. Oh, God. How do I do this? Wait, I did add an onBegin method. Where the hell is that? I didn't want to do that. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Can I do that? Oh, I can do that. Okay, great. Now I can do dot on end. Okay, so I can do Okay, instead of that, I don't need that because it's already handled. What I need is like private bool transitioning or something. So then I just need to do transitioning equals true, and then transitioning equals false. And then provide an easing function of easing function. Oh god, wait, what? Oh, rip. Okay, so easing functions dot evaluate, and then x, and then easing function. Can I do that? Oh, thank God. Okay. Oh, okay. See you around, Colfox. So, okay, so how you read this is you create a tweener, which is basically a handler that says, that like does a function over time. And so you're saying, I want to create a tween of the local scale of this transform that goes to vector 3.1 for this long. And when this starts, I want to say transitioning equals true, and when it ends, I want to say transitioning equals false, and I want to use this easing function. So now what I can do is if transitioning return. So it doesn't open if it's already like opening. Tweener.dispose. There you go. Now, same thing for close, except this goes to vector 3.0. And then, in addition to that, transitioning equals true. I can also say, game object dot set active true. There we go. And then, oh, I actually don't want that. And then I don't want this. There we go. Does that work? I don't know. Let's see if it works. Is open. There we go. Okay. Any errors in my code? There we go. So now let me just create a random UI element. Just a panel for now. No, I don't want it in there. I want it in its own thing. Canvas. Panel. Whatever, good enough. So what I want to do add component scripts inventory system item container. None of these matter yet. So let's try linear first, see if this works. Let me actually create another thing here. Create a start method here. Okay. That now. Open. do anything. Oh, wait. Yeah, because you can't disable the game object because then it stops running the code inside of it. So instead, what I need to do is... Huh. Can I create a canvas group? There we go. So I can, okay, here's what I can do. I can require components type of canvas group. And now what I can do is, private canvas group. And this will make sure all the children get disabled too. And then on start, I can say canvas group equals get component game object. Yeah, this, not game object, canvas group. This song is a bop, Wyatt, for sure. Also, if you're interested, Wyatt, feel free to hop in chat or in the Discord. I be just vibing right now. Ah, you sly dog, you. Cool. A tiger graph meeting. Monday. Oh, I can only do one tween too. Ooh, that's smart. Whatever, I can just do this. Still don't understand why these two are separate. Really confuses me. Ahaha. 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 Trying to think of if there's a way to do it with one tween, but I don't think there is. And I don't want to dispose of the tween, I just realized until after I'm done. I wonder if can I just like do something that's completely not related at all? So like if I did that, does it complain? Ah, so no, I can't do that. And so this is fine. No, this is not fine. Why is this not fine? I really wish I knew how this worked. But I should be able to just copy and paste this, except I don't need I only need one of them to handle the callbacks. Wait, but why does this work? That's stinky. I don't like that. Does this work? No, that doesn't work. Okay. Why does this... That's so... Ah! Excuse me. What the hell was I just doing? Oh, right. Canvas group. Dot. Alpha. Goes to 1. Alpha goes to 0. What I really don't like about this, though, is that it doesn't specify a start point. So, although this is technically fewer lines of code I have to deal with every time I want to make like an I enumerator, like as opposed to like making an I enumerator, I still think the I enumerator system is a little bit more flexible. Well, let's just see if that works. Okay. Okay. Serialize these fields so I can see them in the inspector. Starts open is a no, so it should disappear. It does. Okay. Oh, I gotta execute the tween. I'm stupid. No, it doesn't work there. Execute. Does this not work? Mono behavior, this. What the hell does this do? Man, I don't even remember writing half this shit. Okay. Alright, someone's complaining about the music, so I gotta get rid of God of War real quick. Alright, that's not any better. Wait, hold on. Okay, here we go. I hope this is a lot more relaxed. All right, open. What the? Oh, the tween duration is set to 0. Hey, Ariel Penguin. Thank you so much for the follow. Is that Steven? All right, so set the tween duration to 1. Hopefully it shouldn't start instantly. Hey, Steven. Open. Whoa. Close. Look at that. Oh, and then I think I forgot to have it. So it's a no longer do this. It should do canvas group. Oh, I don't need to do that anymore, actually. Because I have this tween here as well. So, yeah, I just don't need this. All right. So now, in theory, this should work. Open. Yes. Close. Yes. Open. Close. Hey, let's go. And no matter how many times I spam, it doesn't actually do anything until it's done. So now here's the fun part. Let me actually change, no, not that. I'm gonna change the easing function. Just for fun, let's do bounce out. That is the power of a tweening system. No extra lines of code. I just completely changed the animation. And so now, let's do quadratic in out is the standard. Yeah, that feels a lot smoother. Touch your toes, check. Honestly, this little add-on is actually kind of nice, not gonna lie. And I can do, what's a good one? Exponential in out? Yeah. Hey, Dimerex, thank you so much for the follow. Good to see you around, Jesse. Open. Close. Open. That's cool. I like circle. Wait, hold on. I need your guys' opinions on this. Which one of these easing functions should I use? I like that one too. All of these are kind of nice. God, I don't know what they're all like. They all got like subtle differences. Okay, I don't like sine. That one I actually don't like. Exponential, like, circle is pretty good. I really like circle. That one's really nice. Elastic. Not very responsive, I feel like. This one, yeah, back in and out. Bouncing back, I think that's too much. Yeah. Oh, hey, Jimbo, what's going on? I like circle the best, I think. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, that's good. So let's do 0.5 and then circle in out. Awesome. And then so I can do like I can let's see if these work. Oh, I need to invoke these as well. So close. I need to do on close question mark dot invoke. There we go. And then on open question mark dot invoke. So the question mark is just if it actually has anything to invoke, it'll invoke the list. So yeah, that should be good to go. The weird inventory menu thing. So no, but independently of that event, I realized that a lot of their system is not. Or which one are you talking about? I got like the contextual menus. I got that working. But I didn't get, like, for some reason, like, I couldn't figure out why, like, clicking a button that wasn't supposed to do anything caused it to, like, auto-craft. I didn't figure that out. And instead of trying to, you know, go through all their code and trying to figure out what I might be able to change to get that to not happen, I thought there was enough differences in, like, my use case and a lot of features I wasn't really using that I thought I was just going to make my own inventory system, which is what I'm doing now. And it's going pretty well so far. Yeah, this song slaps, not gonna lie. Okay, so now I can, I don't know, let's just... There we go. Change it to nighttime when it opens, I guess. Or wait, here, hold on. I'm just testing out the event calls here. So let's check this light to go to the transform. Can I not? No, I can't do that. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna just do something super weird here. So this is gonna be nighttime. That's probably 2 words, but whatever. Daytime will be down here. Okay. Put this in the center. And okay, here's what I'll do. Just to test this out, I'll do look at on open, look at daytime, and on close, transform, look at nighttime. So let's see if this works. I hope it works. That would be super nice, wouldn't it? So open, yeah. Oh, it looks like it did something. Aha! So these function calls actually work. So now I can have any arbitrary events happen when the tween starts and when it ends, or when the window opens and closes. All right, let's see. So let me get rid of that. I don't need that. That's awesome. And I also have the backend for the asset, the item database. So let me actually create a create asset menu, and this will be in, what is this called? Inventory system / item database. Oh, and this will be, the file name will be new item database. And no, you can't do that. You have to specify that this is file name and that this is menu name. Yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you for stopping by, Jimmy. Let's see here. So yeah, pretty much the backend is done, sort of. It's like super easy. Actually, Unity already has a lot of tools and features with their scriptable objects that make it pretty easy to use. So like for instance, I can now create inventory system item database, and I'll call this just item database. And yeah, there we go. I already have, I can create my items here, and that just works. The only thing I don't have is their fancy sort of editor window. So like this, I would love to be able to use this, but it just doesn't, the headache of trying to figure out all the BS with their system, it's just not worth using it, even though this is really nice. So I might eventually get around to creating this, probably based off their code. But I don't need it for right now. But yeah, that just straight up works, which is super cool. The only thing is currency isn't a scriptable object. Or serializable. Not scriptable. There you go. There we go. So, what is this? Serialization depth limit 10 exceeded? What the? Why is it opening another Visual Studio? I already have one open. Okay, whatever. An object composition cycle. That makes sense. Ah, yeah. I have, So the issue is here. I have an item which has a list of recipes, which has a list of ingredients, which has an item in it. So that's no bueno. I just don't know how to remedy that. Ah, okay. So this item needs to be an item reference, not a serialized item, not a serialized object. I have no idea how to do that, though, is the only issue. So, yeah, I could go through here again, and then I go through recipes, and then I add a new recipe, and then I add an ingredient, and then I add an... Yeah, that just doesn't work. And it's not supposed to be this way, either. So, like, this item is supposed to be a reference. It's not supposed to be a new thing. Okay, whatever. I only need one of these windows. So maybe... hold on. See if I can figure out. Unity. Serialize class as reference in inspector. Oh, does that work? Wait, hold on. Did I just come up with the correct query? Whoa. Okay, the only issue is that it's not the like select your item thing is not here, which kind of blows. Yep. Okay, so, and what happens if I just get rid of system.serializable? It just doesn't appear at all, right? Yeah. So it definitely needs to be serializable. So what if... Unity... What am I dealing with? Scriptable objects. Reference class inside scriptable object. This is such a weird I don't know how to phrase the issue. God, this is such like a bizarre issue. Like I don't even know how to like quantify it. So when I add an ingredient, this item should appear like game object is right here. It should just, I should be able to just like click and drag like an item into there. Instead, it's like make a new item, but I don't need to make a new item. I just need to reference an item. That's so weird. And then if I do like serialize reference, it like sort of works, except there's no one of these, so I can't just like click and drag. Can I even click and drag any of these into here? So weird. I have no idea how to even quantify this issue. Oh, jeez. Yeah, I have no idea how to even go about resolving this. Reference another list item inside same scriptable object. Okay. How do you add scriptable object data from a list in one script to another script at runtime? Well, I don't need runtime. God, this is such a weird issue here. I had never even like considered this as like an issue that could arise. I don't, okay, yeah, I don't need runtime. This is not what I'm looking for. Can I have a script? Okay, this is closer. Can I have a scriptable object contain a list of scriptable objects? Okay, yeah, that's fine. Unity editor reference field? Object field. That, okay. So in theory, I could do this. Oh God. Should have known it wasn't gonna be as simple as I thought it was gonna be. It never is. Never is. Ever. Okay. So let's do, okay. Unity custom inspector. Are we at this point? Do we need custom inspectors? Yeah, blah, 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 blah. Oh, here we go. Okay. So let's try this out. So if I go to scripts, inventory system, editor, create a C# script called ingredient inspector. Reload. Ingredient inspector, nice. Okay, so some things I don't need in here, get rid of that. Okay, so whatever, I'll just do this manually. Oh, I need, come on. Using Unity editor, custom editor, type of ingredient. Oh, I also got to do using inventory system. Okay. No, this is editor, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Okay. So now I need public override void on inspector GUI. Yeah, none of this exists. Okay. That's fine. Okay. So what I need is, let me scroll down here. I will do ingredient. Ingredient target, I believe, right? What? Oh, don't tell me it has to be a mono behavior. No. Oh, I think it has to be a class. And all classes inherit from object. So that should be fine, right? Nope. How about now? You happy? Yeah, you're happy. Literally changed nothing, but whatever. I think it inherits from like lowercase object, but like uppercase object is a Unity specific thing, even though it's like functionally the same thing. But what are you gonna do, you know? Okay, so now, so let me comment this out, and now it shouldn't display anything. When I go to item database, it shouldn't. Okay. And instead, if I did this, why does it do this? Wait, is this as simple as it inheriting from object? Like if I, okay, so I get rid of that, that's fine. Ingredient. So if I don't inherit it from object, does it just serialize completely? It does. Okay. What the okay. Shit bops. Right, so now it okay, that's fine. So what does this guy do here? What I need is an integer field and an object field. So I need a GUI layout dot begin horizontal. And let me actually move this down. And I can do GUI layout dot end horizontal. And I can do GUI layout dot label. And the first one is item. Label width 150. GUI layout dot label. No, width equals 150. And then I can do so item and quantity. Oops, nope, don't want that. So I can do quantity, and I can do item equals GUI. What's that? Oh, stretch check, water check, all that, posture check. Honestly, this tool is so helpful. Let's see here. So we got, I need an object field. Oh, wait. No, hold on. Oh, editor GUI layout dot object field. Yeah, there you go. Oh God. I need a property. Ingredient dot item, right? Not do that. Oh God. Okay. Object field. Yes. Gimme. What is this? Wait, this is deprecated? What? Oh, okay, it was just that one thing. So the real question is, how do I, like... How do I get this back into the thing? Can I do that? Nope. Doesn't it inherit from object though? What's the issue here? No, like what? It doesn't even have. It doesn't even have any quick fixes. Okay, whatever. Let's just see if this like shows up. No. Why does it? Why does this show up? Okay, Unity custom serialization inside scriptable object? Oh god. Okay, hold on. Let me just close out all this. This is making me more confused. I want to edit the data of B in an editor. Okay. Oh, find property? That's a thing. Okay. Jesus. For some reason, like it's just not getting serialized. I just don't know why. Like, is it not finding this custom editor thing? So maybe if I get rid of that. No, still there. Oh, God. This is awful. Oh, okay. I think this... Oh, wait. Hold on. This is like my exact issue. I'm making a simple inventory system. I got a class for an item. All items are stored inside a scriptable object with a custom editor. The best way of implementing item effect I came up with is every item has a method used, which... Okay. Unity has no polymorphism support for custom serialized classes. Okay, this doesn't answer my question though. Great. Oh no, I got so excited when he said he was making a custom inventory system. What? Ugh. Okay, so they do it slightly differently. Let's see if we can do that. Okay. Okay, so this is just a serialized property. And then I also have a serialized property for quantity. So on enable, it's a Unity message, not an override. No. Item equals serialized object dot find property item. Quantity. object dot update. Does that work? Nope. Does this still have to derive from object? No, it does not. Ah, okay. We're getting somewhere. Because it's not serializable. Okay. So what if I do that? Same issue. Okay. Why is it not getting updated? I'm baffled. I am baffled. I don't know why it's not updating. Can I not? And like, if I just do. This doesn't show up either. Okay, so just for now, let me get rid of that issue. So now an ingredient is just a quantity. There's no complaints. That's fine. No complaints or anything. But it's still not like... Okay, getting there. It's like not linking to this. So what if I make this a mono behavior? And then like I add it to like a random ass object. Interesting. Interesting. So it's not calling the custom editor if it's in a scriptable object.
Custom inspectors.
Okay, yeah, hi brackies. Okay, so what I need is Unity custom Inspector inscriptable object. Do I need to do it in the root? Like in the scriptable object? I shouldn't need to, right? Yeah, if this wasn't in a scriptable object, it would be fine. Oh god. It has reflection in it. All right, guys. So my girlfriend surprised me with I wasn't expecting her till much later, but she just arrived. So I'm gonna end my stream now. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. No, we didn't make a lot of progress today, but hopefully that'll change in the future. So, all right, see you guys.